Good day, good evening, good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury signing in with you from the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And we've been getting a lot of questions about how to open up a trading account, why start trading, and more importantly, what does it take to be a profitable trader? And we've been helping. And we want people to understand that there's different aspects of being a profitable trader. And it starts with a mentality. It starts with creating a healthy routine. You know, for me, I meditate. I really truly believe that if I don't do inner engineering, then anything outside of me is going to really affect me and my goals and what I'm committed to creating. And creating your future is all about getting in tune with that background conversation and having it honed into the foreground. So I personally believe meditation is big. If you believe eating breakfast is big, if you believe stretching is big, if you believe running is big, if you believe yoga is big, whatever you believe to be a healthy routine to get you into the proper mental and emotional mindset and emotional intellect space for your trading for the day, before you sit in front of that trading platform, we strongly suggest you do something about that. Never stop learning. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't make a difference how much money, how many businesses, how many people I've worked with, how many people I've hired, how many people I've interviewed. I never stop learning. The markets teach me, my peers teach me, younger people teach me, older people teach me, people from different walks of life, different ethnicities, they teach me. If you know it all, get ready. Life's going to teach you something new, and it's taught me a lot. Always protect your equity. Here at BFN and in our private trading group, we fully believe in protecting our community's equity. We want people not only to trade what they can afford to trade with, but more importantly, we want people to use stop losses. We want people to be prudent. We want people, when they see that they've been able, based on our analysis and our ability to identify undervalued and unexposed assets in the markets, we want people to know that they are comfortable to take those profits. Either it be 10%, 15%, 20%, 30%, whatever it may be. There's institutions that give people on their entire accounts 10% on an entire year if they're lucky. Most of them are less than that. So we fully believe in having our community and our audience protect their equity and take their profits. Use a trading journal. Nowadays, there's a lot of different electronic trading journals. Use a written one. Use an electronic one. But definitely journal your trades. Journal your research. Journal your whys. When you got in, the time that you got in, when you got out, how much you made, what you lost, if you broke even. These are important factors. It helps you get better at your craft. Okay? Observe others. A big part of our trading club is successful. You know why? Because we share. There's members that are sharing their knowledge, their aggressive research. They're finding, gems under rocks. So yes, we want you to observe others, and we want you to observe what's happening in the markets. Control your emotions. Like, control is a really strong word. I like to use the word coordinate and cultivate. It's really hard to quote unquote control, like a joystick, your emotional reactions or tics or weaknesses that you have that allow you to be exposed to either acting out of impulse or acting out of fear. And a lot of people sometimes overanalyze the fundamentals and lose out on momentum trades. And there's a large group of, investment banks and older traders and portfolio managers that are using fundamentals to look at burgeoning opportunities and emerging issuers. However, there's a lot of companies out there that are trading on future values. Look at Tesla, look at NIO. The car market is a 90 million car market per year. Tesla's not going to be selling 90 million cars, and either is NIO. But look at their market caps and look at Ford's. And Ford is going to sell 14 million vehicles this year. So, controlling your emotions and being emotionally intelligent when it comes to coordinating and cultivating your trade ideas comes down to a lot of patience and a lot of personal self-expression and presence and awareness. So we want people to be able to coordinate and cultivate their emotions and be aware to how they're affecting their trading ideas and their trading strategies. And remember, the markets are neither moral nor immoral. It's amoral. It's a zero-sum game, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, the one thing you got to realize is the markets, they don't have a feeling about your investments, and they don't have a feeling about your goals. Your goal is to learn the markets. So instead of you chasing paper or chasing numbers or coefficients, you're teaching coefficients to fall into your trading strategies. And you're using indicators, analysis, and research to be able to make that happen. So again, we thank you here at the BFN. If you're not winning, you're not watching. If you know, you know. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off at the BFN, the Business Financial Network. God bless.